Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do a high puff. I'm going to start by saturating my hair with water. Although I have a twist out, but I'm still going to work on it like that. I'm going to comb my hair, fluff it from the down part because I don't want to cut my hair. I don't want to totally comb it all through, because even the ends of this twist out will give a very nice effect to the high puff after I'm done. I'm going to go in with my extreme wet line gel. I've resigned from Eco Styling Gel, so I'm now a fan of the extreme wet line gel. This gel took me ages to find in Nigeria here, especially Lagos. Only one vendor had it on Gigi, so I grabbed the opportunity to get this gel. I'm going to apply it at the front and at the root part of my hair. I'm going to apply it at the front part of my hair and brush it to eliminate the cocoa hair in front. I mean the coily baby hair in front. After doing that, I'm going to secure my hair. I'm going to use, this is actually my satin hair, little satin hair scarf for tying down my baby hair, but I'm going to use it as a rope to lift up the high puff or high bun. I'm going to start by lifting up the back part, which is going to give the high puff effect, and less of the front part. I'm also trying to secure it very tightly. The more I lift it at the back part, the more it gives that punk effect, like the hair moves to the front part. Now I'm going to tie it behind and secure it properly. As you can see the back view of the hair, it's looking so beautiful already. Like I told you earlier, that the twist out that I had before is going to give the hair a beautiful looking effect, which is what it has at the moment. I'm not going to comb it totally, it's just going to be the same way it is at the moment. It looks like a dready, rough looking hair, you know. Just going to fluff it a little and give it a style and make it look beautiful. Now I want to lay my edges so the hair looks really good. I've spoken so highly of this particular wax, hair wax. It's called Easier Wax and Mod. If you find it anywhere, grab it. This is the only thing in this world that holds my baby hair. Since I found Easier, my baby hair has never been a problem. it's really essential to brush off all the baby hair. If not, it will just spoil the effect of what you're trying to achieve. It's either it's sliding up or it's sliding side. Now I'm going to use my satin hair scarf to tie down my baby hair so it can dry and sleep well. It doesn't have to be too tight, if not you have a headache. Now I'm going to leave it for a while, maybe 20 to 30 minutes. Then I loosen the satin hair scarf. You can see the effect of the high puff. As you can see, the hair is looking so beautiful. I really do love it. Everybody loved it. People in church, people at work. This hair lasted for a week, as in a week. All I just needed to do was do 1 or 2 touches and tie it up again, and voila, it's good to go. So try this out. Leave a comment below. Tell me how you found the style. Tell me how people around you found it, and I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification icon afterwards so you'll be notified when I post a new video. Like this video if you find it helpful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Take care of yourself. Bye.